Okay, so good morning everyone. Welcome in today's class. Okay, last week we mainly closed our a big topic called the SLA, OLA, underpinning contract, how to start SLA, how to stop SLA, what is retroactive start, pause, when to start or when to create this SLA, when to stop this SLA. All these things we discussed in our previous last week complete this class. Today we are coming to a little interesting topic, okay, and that is called the service portal. Okay, so if I say that, what do you mean by word service portal? In short, in one liner, service portal is one stop shop for your end users. I can say that it is a one-stop shop for your customer as well, but I did not say customer, I say for your end user, because here I am specifically talking about my IT. That is, I'm talking about the ITSM, and in ITSM we use the word or we use the rules called the end user. But when I say that, okay, this particular portal is one stop shop for your customer, it means I'm talking about the CSM, that is called the customer service management. This is also one of the topic which we are going to be discussed, but little later on. The knowledge which I have for CSM, I'll share with you guys. Okay. Now, Atul, definition is okay. I got your definition, but what exactly it's look like? So in a layman language, any website, any app, any interface by which you are placing your order, you are putting your request, you are creating your order, you are asking for the refunds, you are creating your tickets or the incidents, is a portal for me. Again, lemon examples, Amazon, any, what I can say, not shopping website, any website by which you are able to do at least these three or four major things. Number one, you can raise a request. Number two, you can put an order. Number three, you can raise a ticket or the incident. You can use the knowledge articles there. These all are the part of my my service portal. From the from the certification perspective, this question generally come in the admin certification, that what are the 3 or 4 points available, or 3 or 4 things available for an end user on the portal that he can access. He can request, he can use the knowledge article, he can see the news, and he can log a incident as well. Because in my service now, when I say end user, it means I'm talking about a person who don't have any role available in my system. That is called the means, if I'm creating a user and I'm not giving any role, not a single role I'm giving, then it become an end user for me. Okay. Now the second point comes, that Atul, how it look like in service now, because we guys always want to see in the practical format. Okay. So what shortcut I follow here, or generally people follow here, I open my another instance in another tab. Okay. And just put /sp. SP stands for service portal. Okay. I guess 3 or 4 release before, we call this as a ESS, employee service, sorry, SSP, self service portal. But now we call this as a SP, it means service portal. Okay. So this is my service portal. Okay. Imagine any website or anything like this only. It can be Amazon, it can be your Grofers, it can be your Domino's, it can be anything which you want to visualize, you can visualize here. Okay. But in ServiceNow, we have this is called the service portal. If I am an end user, I can access this portal with my credentials. Okay. And I can do the stuff on the portal. One fundamental rule you have to be remembered in ServiceNow. Visibility of anything. When I say anything means visibility of any incident, change, request, knowledge, problem, or news, anything you want to say is totally depend on the role you have. If you have a role, you can see that particular stuff. If you have a specific role on the Domino's website or Domino's app, then you can see that how the recipe of the Domino's pizza as well. But because we are as an end user, we just order pizza and we ate pizza. And that is the reason we are not able to access the recipe. But if you join Domino's as a chef or as a baker, then you will come to know the, what I can say, the recipe as well. But that time, your role will be changed from the end user to the fulfiller. It means you are here to fulfill the request, not to get the request, not to get the services from anyone. Okay. So in today's class, basically we try to cover the introduction of this complete service portal. Okay, this thing. What is the meaning of this? How it look like? All these things. Okay. So this is again my banner frame on the top. Yeah. I click here. I can come back to my home page. I'm anywhere. I'll come back to this place only. That is my home screen. The same thing happened here as well, right? If I click here, it will land me on the same page. So same goes here as well. Okay. Don't say अतुल यहाँ पर तो लोगो ही आ रहा है, यहाँ पर ही आ रहा है, क्योंकि इसका लोगो चेंज नहीं किया हमने, इसलिए ऐसा आ रहा है. ठीक है. Now this is called the knowledge. Knowledge means this is the place where you can go and search for the articles. Take example. I bought iPhone 12, but that is not the practical case. I never bought so much costly phone. I don't like these things. Okay, much. I bought a new iPhone 12 and I'm not getting, or it is my first time I'm getting iPhone. Before that I used Windows, or mainly I use the Android, but this is the first time I'm using the iOS. So I have no understanding that how these things work in how things work in iPhone. Email कैसे configure होगा, मैसेज कहाँ से रीड करते हैं, सेटिंग्स में जाके साउंड्स कैसे चेंज करते हैं, all these things. So what I did, I go here and open the iPhone support. Okay, iPhone Apple support. Okay, so assume that this is my service portal. Let's take a normal example. Okay, so what I have support here. Let me see. What is saying? Welcome to Apple support, search here. Something similar here. You can search here as well. How can we help? You are here. See, you're not able to see this, right? Because I put the picture something like this. Okay. So in short, knowledge means if you want to search any article, that how this thing configured, I click here. And you can see. Okay, what do you want to know about this thing? I want to go to devices, Apple. Okay, what I have in Apple? Let's see how to configure VPN Apple for devices. I open it. And I use this article. But before that, sorry guys, but before that, I'm doing all these things. I open my Apple phone and all stuff I've done. Now, if you are an end user, what is required from your side? That you should provide me some kind of a feedback on this particular article. It's up to you. It's not mandatory. It's up to a user. If you think, yes, it is useful for me, put a 5-star rating like this. Oh, sorry, I'll go down. Yes, here. I put the ratings now. Definitely we people do, right? Then is this helpful for me? Yes or no? No, it is not helpful for me. Okay, no worries. Any comment you want to put? Required changes in doc. And you can put any attachment as well. All these things, this, and this are configurable. In today's class, just understand that how this work. Don't go in the background that Atul ye kahan se aa raha hai. I'll tell you each and everything for this one. Okay. And if you notice one thing, let me submit this part. Okay. Now let me again go back here. Sorry, come to knowledge base. You see, what is it showing? KB view 2. Remember this. We will pick up this point maybe tomorrow or maybe on the after that next class. Okay. ये कहाँ से आता है? It is a configurable part. I'm again saying. So Tejal, Ishwari, Shilpi, don't get confused. Today just understand that what do you mean, what is available on the service portal. Now definitely question come in your mind. Atul, we are in IT. We know कि knowledge पे click करो, there is some category I can do it. But what about the end user? No worries. If you are thinking about the end user, then if I open this Apple website, where you want to search? Here only, right? Let me search here only. Just normal word I am putting. Search. I'm at this place. Now, what this is saying to me, what this page is telling to me as an end user is one thing, but you are a functional consultant. You should understand this page now. I search something, it go in the background and bring a topic for me. VPN. I just mentioned VPN connection. It's searched by VPN or connection. Okay. Let put some generic word so that a lot of articles should come. Now you see a lot of things come into the when I search for the email word. Okay. Now on the right side, sorry, on the left side, you see something here. Sources. The documents you are able to see. I'll not say no, I'll not say the documents only. The options or the results you are able to see, you can categorize as well in this manner. Now what is in the bold part is all. It means where the word email has been mentioned, it fetch everything for me. Either it can be a document, either it can be a product, either it is mentioned in my mobile phone, either it is mentioned in my laptop, anywhere the word email has been mentioned. One minute, guys, my speaker is not charged today. Okay, so all means that from where these things are coming, it can be article, it can be catalog item as well. Don't confuse what is catalog item. We'll cover that part. Okay, so it is showing all, but you as an end user only interested to know that how to configure an email. It means you're looking for some kind of an article. So let me do this in knowledge base. It will filter out for me. Email signature, email recovery, email interruption, what is spam, what is phishing, how does the spam. So where the email word comes, see, either in subject, either in description. Where the email word come, it fetch result for me. You say no, 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 no. I want to understand. I want to know that if someone asked this question earlier as well. Question and answer. Luckily, no one asked any question till this point. And then it is showing the catalogs. Catalog means from where you want to put a order. In layman language, catalog means the menu card, which we saw in our restaurants. Okay. Now I go back to my knowledge base. I got 100 of articles, see, end of results. Okay, approximately 10 or 15. Now you see that my service now has been built up so smartly. If you click on the knowledge base, what is your main preference? If you open YouTube and you're searching for major incident management, whose video you want to see? You can give a preference. नहीं मुझे तो सिर्फ अतुल का ही वीडियो सुनना है. नहीं मुझे तो सिर्फ सर्विस नाउ का ही वीडियो सुनना है. So you can do the filtration on the basis of the author as well. See. Category. नहीं मुझे मेजर इंसिडेंट आईटी का नहीं सुनना, मुझे मेजर इंसिडेंट फाइनेंस का सुनना है. So I have a categories available here. लास्ट मॉडिफाइड कब लास्ट इसको अपडेट किया गया हो, ये I prefer to watch those videos who has more than 10, who has more than 100 views. So I can put the views as well. See. So these are the benefits to end user to make a quick search. I want to see only in the email category. Okay. No worries, sir. Let's apply this. Okay. No, no, no. I want to see last modify in the past week. Sorry, नहीं है past week वाला तो कोई modify ही नहीं हुआ past week में. So this way. So these are the options available to the end users, and these are configurable part. You can remove something, you can add something. But as a standard, we use these things only. Okay. Any doubt, any question till this point?
No.
Ishwari, Tejal. It's interesting.
No, it's straightforward.
Oh. And I guess someone has any question?
No.
Okay. Let me go to the home page now. Now, second thing come in the catalog. Now we guys are so smart. If I want to order a new phone, what I'll do? I open the Amazon and I search here MI31. It will bring a lot of phone menu for me. Let me open this. Okay. Simple. We write like this only, right? Even though Amazon also give me option. सर आप यहाँ पे जाइए मोबाइल पे क्लिक कर लीजिए, आप यहाँ पे अपने मॉडल्स को सिलेक्ट कर लीजिए, आपको चाहिए मॉडल चाहिए वो ले लो आप. नहीं, but we are so impatient that we always write here. Simple. So these things are available here as well. Either you can search it here. I want to order a laptop or Apple laptop. I can do my search from here as well. But if I put it here, it will search everywhere. So I want to go to the catalog directly. Simple, I can go it. Okay. Or other option, you can click on the catalog here. This is just the easiness of a customer. दोनों ऑप्शन दे रहा है कि बॉस आइदर यू कैन सर्च इट हियर, आइदर यू कैन क्लिक ऑन द कैटलॉग. कैटलॉग में जाएंगे देन यू कैन सर्च इट ऑन द different type of catalog. Now a little bit discussion on the catalog before we proceed further. In normal or simple word, catalog means it's a menu card. Okay. If you go to the restaurant, nowadays if you go to a little high level restaurants, which where they serve the drinks as well, hard drinks as well. Okay. As soon as you sit on the table, they bring water for you, plus they will bring 2 or 3 different type of the menu cards. One is for the starter, one is for the main course, and one is for the drinks. What we call these are called the catalogs. Like this, we have a 3 catalog available. Okay. Then categories. If you open any catalog here, suppose you open the main course catalog, then in that catalog we have the categories. Main course में first section होगा starter, Chinese, South Indian, North Indian, then your sabji, your breads, salad, raita, last में dessert. What are those? These are the categories to pick up the things. Then suppose you click on the breads. Okay. You on the breads, what you see? You're able to see garlic bread, tawa roti, tandoori roti, then your missi roti, all these things. What these called? These are called the catalog items. So when you pick up the exact roti, no, मैं तो garlic bread लूंगा, garlic की लूंगा, naan लूंगा. This is called the catalog item, and then you click on the here. It means you are placing that order now. Which order? The catalog item. So catalog item is the last one which we use or which we do order part specifically. और उसके क्या होगा, उस जो कैटलॉग आइटम जो आपने पिकअप किया, जो आपने गार्लिक नान को पिकअप किया, उसको जब आप देखेंगे उसके साथ क्या होगा, उसका नीचे हल्का सा रेसिपी होता है, बिल्ड इन मैदा, पुट सम गार्लिक पीसेस, बीट वेल, और कितने का आएगा वो. सबसे पहले तो ये देखते हैं हम लोग कितने का है वो. डिलीवरी टाइम, इट्स समटाइम इट इज मेंशन देयर. सपोज यू ऑर्डर सम स्टार्टर एंड दैट इज अगेन, मैं उसका नाम भूल गया, जो जिसमें धुआं सा निकलता है, सिजलर्स. ओके, सो दे पुट द टाइमिंग्स देयर. Minimum 20 minutes required to ready this sizzler. So they want to give you that particular stuff. And if I say delivery time 2 minutes, what this mean? I'm putting a SLA of the 2 days. Remember the concept which we done? SLA. ये रहा. Okay, भैया एक काम करो, इसको लिख लो आप ऑर्डर में. He is just writing on the वो उसका डायरी जो रहता है आजकल, तो हाई फाई होटल्स में तो वो रहता है, they have the iPad something, they put it, or the pads they use specifically. Okay, so आप बोलते भैया लिख लो इसको यहाँ पे, order now, या add to cart. Add to cart means okay, अब मेरी फैमिली में हम 10-5 लोग हैं, तो जब तक 5 का ऑर्डर नहीं होगा तब तक वो नहीं लेगा, तो वो add to cart में कर देते हैं कि भैया इसको add to cart कर लो. मैं आपको बताता हूँ, सबने सेलेक्ट कर लिया, ओके ये सब्जी है, ये सूप है, भैया ऑर्डर कर दो और एक बार रिपीट कर दो. रिपीट कैसे होता है, आप कैसे चेक करते हो? कार्ट में जाके वो अपनी कार्ट ओपन करेगा. मैडम 2 गार्लिक ब्रेड थे, एक सब्जी है, एक रायता है, एक सैलेड है, ऑल दिस. ठीक है, ओके ठीक है जी. Sorry. Okay, then you click on the order now. When you click on the order now, it means this has been go to the kitchen for the preparation. ठीक. So this is the thing of the catalog. Let me come back. I'll not go in the detail now. कैसे बनते हैं हम बनाएंगे. Proper एक प्रोसेस भी मैं इसका फॉलो करेंगे. मैं I will go for the practical part as well. Okay. So now you can see. So you can build n number of these things. categories. But remember one thing, if any category, suppose any category don't have any catalog item, category will not available on the catalog page. But if you go to the restaurant, you open the menu card. If you want to order, sorry, you will not put any blank category. Suppose I open a restaurant, I mention a category called the Punjabi Dhaba. But I did not mention that in this particular option what you will getting. So will I print that Punjabi Dhaba on my menu card? Definitely no. It should contain a minimum one catalog item. Only then I will print. You see, in many of the restaurants I saw, even though they just have a one item, but they have a separate category. Okay, so these things we use in a day-to-day life. Okay, then a request. All clear on the catalog part?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And don't think that Atul, it's a morning, Monday morning, and you're going on the restaurant, giving a feel of the Friday night evening. Okay, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, वापस आ जाओ जहां पर भी हो. Now go to the request. What do you mean by the request here? Request means which I ordered till now. I want to see the status of that. Simple, Amazon. All. अच्छा मैंने तो लॉगिन नहीं किया हुआ. Your account, you will see the my orders. ये ना देखो return an order. Order here. So the same thing it happen here. You will able to see all the only open and closed records. What do you mean by the open and close here? In ServiceNow term, give me example. Give me example. What do you mean by open and close as per ServiceNow?
In progress, complete.
Sorry?
Something which is new, in progress, or complete.
I need only one word answer or maximum 2 words answer is there. What do you mean by open and closed? And if you say that something in progress, on hold, how my system will come to know? Those are the states. I'm just talking about the word open and close.
Open is basically yet to deliver. Close is already delivered.
No, not the right answer. Anyone else? Dipesh?
Incidents.
I think open is something where something is in progress, and
Not a right
closed
answer.
is
Either. Not a right answer. I need only 2 words answer here.
Incident created for open?
No.
So when we open the form that is open and when we resolve the.
No. Go to the basics. Shilpi. Ishwari. Okay. Open and close. Simple. Open means active true. Closed means active false. Guys, these are the states which are saying that something in progress, on hold. When this state will come, when your active is true, only then it will be available. Right? If I open any incident here, if I open a list view, when I click on the open, what this open means? सी एक्टिव ट्रू सिंपल। ये सब तो स्टेट्स हैं उसकी जो आप बता रहे हो, समथिंग इज ओपन और येट टू डिलीवर। आई नो येट टू डिलीवर, बट हाउ माई क्वेरी विल रन इन द बैकग्राउंड। सपोज अगर मेरे इंसिडेंट में, इन माई इंसिडेंट आई हैव 100 ऑफ द स्टेट्स, will you mention 100 states in your query? I'm just displaying the state here, but how I'm filtering out my results on the basis of these two things, open or close. Open, active true, close, active false. Close here, active false है सारे के सारे, open, active true है सारे के सारे मेरे ये. The state doesn't matter for me. Okay, so these are the basics you have to be know. Your customer will ask, and you will surprise that one of my customers say, I need a states here now instead of the open and close. It's a customization for me then. Okay, got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good. Okay, so my request, when you go to Amazon or go to pizza delivery, or sorry, this is Domino's or some other things, okay, you're able to view your order. You are able to view your past order. What that is closed cases for me. I cannot reorder that. Sorry, I cannot reopen that particular order now. So ServiceNow give a flexibility to the customer to do under the my request. You can see all the records which you open till date, from the date you get the access actually. 5 months, 7 months ago, you can load more. See, these are the states. Don't confuse the states with the actual status, active, true and false. Okay. Now, because I log in as an admin, okay, so I am able to see my system status as well. But if you're an end user, if you are logging into Domino's or some other website, will you able to see their status? कि उनका system कैसे काम कर रहा है? How much bandwidth they are consuming? Which server they are running? Which data center they are running? No, because I log in as an end user, so I'm able to see this on my, sorry, I use it as the admin, log in as the admin, I'm able to see this particular stuff. Otherwise, this will be completely hide. Okay, see, but a lot of things they are giving to us. Cart, we already see that where you can add your products. Okay. Tour is actually a good topic, but generally we did not use this tour. Tour means, suppose when you log in to any app first time, okay, you get an option, click here for search, click here for find, click here for submit, all these things. What those mean specifically? Those are the tours for me, which give me understanding that how this portal will be look like to you, how this portal work for you. Okay, and here last you were able to see the logged in user detail. You can see your own profile, you can set your notifications, and you can log out from the system as well. Okay, any doubt till this point?
No.
Yes, sir.
If I click on the profile, I will be able to see my own profile. Company, ServiceNow, title, department, and I can make a few changes as well. I can change my time zone from here. User preferences. If I change it here, then I can change these things. Accessibility enabled. I guess this is what something different. I can add my business phone number. I can add my mobile number here. Same thing, which you can go and do it at your account here. My account, if you go here, same thing is there as well. Okay. Then if you click on the notification settings, So notification means the emails which I'm getting is called the notification for me. I can put some kind of conditions on that only these notifications should come to me. Like if I withdraw less than 500 rupees from my bank, I should not get any message. I should not get any email. So these are the notifications which I can put it. I'll not pick up this point now. I'll show you when we go for the notifications actually. Okay. And then finally, logout is the last option. Now come to home page. This is again a global search, but you cannot search the previous incident number here. Suppose if I go here, let me open this page here. Let me pick up my incident number. You cannot find that. That is ServiceNow functionality. And don't try to customize this now because that is not a good practice. Will you able to search your order number at this place in Amazon? No. You need to go to your orders only. So ServiceNow say, boss, this is a specific things. You are looking for your number. I cannot search for you now. If you want to search for this number, go to my request and then search it. But this particular place is a flexibility to search you the items, the articles you want to search. Any word mentioned and you can click on the search, I'll bring it for you. Okay. This thing. And this is also a configurable part. One of my colleagues asked me a question. Atul, I want this search bar to be a little lower. Don't know why people want to do a lot of customization. Someone say, I want to change the background picture. Background picture, you can change it. That's fine. I change this background picture. Okay. Now let me scroll down. Okay. These are called the tabs. These 4 tabs are there. Okay, one more point, being a functional consultant. Okay. Never ever agree with your customer in a first meeting or the second meeting that you are happy to change the portal look and feel, because if your portal is highly customized, it will create a lot of problem at the time of the upgrades here specifically. And the portal changes take a lot of time. Suppose you want to do something on the incident table and you want to do something on the portal. Then your portal will take approximately 60 to 70% time and 30% will go on the table level. So avoid the customization if possible. I'll show you a few examples. You will be surprised to know. Because I was working for one of my personal work and they asked me to this thing. They want to customize this. So they want some samples from Google. I'll show you. Which one I share? See this one. Okay, I'll show you one more thing. They changed it. Even though it's the same as part, this is. So companies do, but try if you can avoid these things. See, almost same, but little bit is there. Changes are there. These are changes here. If you go here, see, only 5 options. Just all they remove it. See, customization. Customization. Pure customization. So this is customization. So it doesn't mean that you cannot do the customization, but we avoid these things. Generally, we avoid these things. Okay. Santosh, you any question?
No, Atul.
I guess someone open the mic. They have some question in the mind. No problem. No problem. Okay. Okay. So this is just a best practice, I'll say. But the problem is that customers say, boss, service portal is one of the front end for me to show to my customer. So it should be look good. And then we have to go for the customization as well. Okay. Now come back to this point. Request something. It means you can order the things from here. Click here. And you can see same page. You can go to the catalog. Either go to catalog, either go to request something. Definitely Tejal will have a question. Sir, ये दो बार क्यों दे रखा है फिर? To enhance the user experience, nothing else. Same here. You can search your order from here as well. If I log in, I will able to search my order from here as well. Simple navigation और कुछ नहीं है. So no question on that part. Simple points हैं इसमें. ठीक है. Come to this side. Knowledge base. You search from knowledge here as well. You can search knowledge from here as well. That is called the again knowledge. If you click here, again same thing. Application, devices, email, IT, operating systems, suppliers. Okay. Now let me go back to my screen. Home page. Okay. Get help. Get help is only one place which indicates you cannot order from this option. नहीं समझे? Definitely, I put some wrong words here. Get help means you are not ordering something specifically, but means you are raising an incident from here to change the password. Or basically, I'll come to at this point, create an incident. Okay, report a defect means you are creating some kind of a issue. You're not requesting, even though they put request knowledge base, reset passwords, also the part of these things only. But practically, get help means only this thing, create incident, where you need some help from the other party immediately. Suppose you raise a request, you place one order to get an iPhone. That's fine. You place the order, and after 3 days you will get an iPhone. But if your iPhone is not working properly on the day you receive it, you will log an incident, and then you will get a call in next 5 to 7 minutes. Sir, you purchased this order. What happened to your iPhone? Any concern is there? It means you want to get some help. You are not doing a request. You are helping. You are getting some helping. It means you are raising an incident for a quick attention. Again, normal example. I am at my home. I call to my friend. Boss, शाम को party आ जाना. You are requesting him. He will say, okay, मैं आ जाऊंगा. Another case. You called your friend. अरे भाई मैं घर में अकेला हूँ, गिर गया हूँ नीचे, फटाफट जल्दी आ जा. You ask seeking for some help, which require attention immediately, assistance immediately. So that is one of the part of my service portal that is called the get help. And when you click on this create incident, okay, this is called the record producer. This is not called the catalog item, guys. Remember this thing. This is not my catalog item. In short, it is a catalog item. I agree. but practically we call this option as a record producer. Either you are a functional consultant, either you are a developer, either a pre-sales guy. You should know that what is the difference between a record producer and a catalog item. That is a major thing they ask. Okay, so today you need to be study that what is the record producer. Okay, then let me know tomorrow. Come back to the home page. Okay, the last one that is called the community. Community means where you can ask for the questions, you can seek for the answers as well. Like ServiceNow की community बनी हुई है, where you can ask any question. What do you mean by record producer? People will answer to you. Okay, so in short, community is a place. It is like a social platform where you will put some question and someone will answer to you. Like this, I can ask a question.
It's a forum, right?
It's a forum, right? How to configure email. And place tag name means so that your this thing should come for the search if someone is asking. Email. Configure. Okay. Post question. I done my question. Nobody answered till now. If someone answered my question, it will show it here. Let me put. Very easy to do. Open Outlook and do next. This is my answer. I'm putting it. This is my answer. Nobody else is put answer. I am putting answer on my own question. This is my answer. That's all. So this is the purpose of the community. We have a ServiceNow community as well. See. In the meantime, it open, I'll show you. Okay, now I go back to my home page. Any doubt, any issue till this point?
No, it's okay.
It's fine. Right, Tejal, Ishwari?
No, sir. No, sir.
All fine, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So देखो ये ServiceNow community है. Same thing. Portal ही है ये भी इनका. You need to be login. You need to create your account and then you can ask the questions. ठीक है? So by this way, and people reply. चलो हम इस पे आते हैं. Then on the later on these particular things, you are getting a same options which you see on the either in the tabs. Current status means your system current status. Top rated articles. These called the widgets. Okay, let me introduce one more word called the widgets. Widgets basically क्या है? It's kind of a container on which you write some code and bring it on the form level. Sorry, on the portal level. Top rated articles क्या है मेरे subscribe questions के कौन से हैं? Popular कौन से questions चल रहे हैं nowadays? Any announcement has been done by my company? Any request is pending for my approval where I need to be approved? My open incidents are there. Okay, all these things. all, you can see all. So these things are easily configurable part. You can remove or you can add these widgets on your portal page. Okay. Till this, okay. So with this, we've done the complete introduction of my service portal. Any doubt, any question on this?
No, sir.
No, Atul.
All fine, all understood completely.
Yes, sir.
Dipesh, any question? All good. Okay, fine. So I'll not take you the next topic now. Okay. Before that, if no other point, let me stop the recording now here. Okay.